Hey everyone! Today, we've got a super challenging math quiz for you. These problems are going to really make you think. Write down how many you got correct, and while you're here, hit that subscribe button for more brain-bending fun. Let's go! 177 plus 233 equals? It's 410. 233 plus 166 equals? If 7 tickets cost $35, how much would 12 tickets cost? $60. 821 minus 601 equals? $220. What is 20% of $600? $120. 79.5 plus 66.7 equals? $146.2. 34 times 5 equals? The answer is 170. 310 plus 119 equals? The answer is 429. What is 40% of $750? $300. A $60 game is discounted by 5%. What will the sale price be? It's $57. 26 times 4 equals? The answer is 104. 108 divided by 9 equals? $12. 302 plus 501 equals? $803. 677 plus 122 equals? $799. A $70 hat is discounted by 25%. What will the sale price be? $52.5. 275 minus 177 equals? $98. What is 60% of 300? $180. 80.8 plus 72.0 equals? $152.8. 41 times 3 equals? $123. 418 plus 320 equals? $738. 233 plus 410 equals? $643. 876 minus 332 equals? It's 544. 97.1 plus 84.3 equals? 181.4. 33 times 5 equals? The answer is 165. 443 plus 210 equals? The answer is $6.53. A $45 lamp is discounted by 10%. What will the sale price be? $40.5. If 4 shirts cost $40, how much would 6 shirts cost? $60. 936 minus 424 equals? $512. 661 plus 390 equals? $10.51. 420 plus 269 equals? $6.89. If 2 pizzas cost $24, how much would 5 pizzas cost? $60. 10.4 plus 12.6 equals? $23. What is 90% of $2,000? $1,800. 670 plus 309 equals? $979. 583 minus 334 equals? $249. 23.7 plus 15.9 equals? $39.6. If 8 oranges cost $4, how much would 20 oranges cost? $10. 991 plus 992 equals? $19.83. 880 plus 390 equals? $12.70. 911 plus 611 equals? The answer is 1522. Phew, that was a workout for the brain. How many did you manage to crack? Share your results in the comments. And if you're up for more mathematical mayhem, hit that subscribe button for more quizzes. See you!